Hey dudes and chicks, and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome back. Just kidding. Welcome to Makeup for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today, I'm going to be having a palette orgy, and I'm going to be popping this palette's cherry, the Norns Palette by Oden's Cosmetics. The color story looks like this. And the Erd palette, the color story looks like this. And I also popped this little baby's cherry. It's the Norns Mesmerizer Highlighter in Spring of Life, and it looks like this. Totally used it, totally hit that shit. And if you guys are curious to see how I got this look or what my final thoughts on these products are, then just hang out. Okay, I literally have less than an hour. I'm going in with my Made by Mitchell ME1, and I'm gonna start with the color Outsider. Ooh. Oh, I don't know, this brush is all fucky right now. I'm going out for dinner. It's my sponsor's clean date. Oh my god, this brush is like totally crooked and fucked up. Oh, I might have went a little bit bigger on that second dip. Oops. Oops. So I've missed you guys. I literally have been like meeting deadlines and like doing all this shit. I went to this Tony Robbins training with my sponsor and my bestie, and it changed my fucking life. And I got a call while I was doing the training. Oh my god, I literally don't remember how to do my makeup, and this brush is fucking me over. I got a call while I was during the 4 days. The head stylist at my salon asked me if I could do the makeup for 5 models at a photo shoot, and just like that, I'm a makeup artist. It was crazy. It was very different than what I do here, which you'll hear makeup artists talk about a lot, about how much different it is to do makeup on set. It was very hurried, and the makeups were like not very technical, and my skill was very like appreciated. So it was weird because the photographer was from LA, and he was like, I mean, he wasn't like gushing over me or whatever, but he was like impressed with my work, which was really weird to me because he's from LA. And he told me, he goes, what's really the most important thing to me is that the makeup is like blended. And I was like, oh bitch, I'm the blend queen. And he was like, yeah, that's weird because I have the hardest time finding makeup artists that can really blend. And I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? In LA, you can't find a makeup artist that can blend? That's crazy. So that's how it went down. On Monday, I went and did the makeup for some models on a photo shoot, and it was fucking unbelievable. Like, I literally felt like I was, like, home. We did the fucking Tony Robbins thing, and God, it was fucking off the hees. Changed my life. It changed my life. I know, but no. Like, there's been some parts of me, like, since I got clean, like, I've made a lot of progress, but there's been parts of me that have remained broken, and I feel fixed. Actually, it's not even a feeling. Like, I'm actually fixed. Like, it's almost like I got hypnotized. It's so weird. It's almost like I don't remember how to do my own makeup. I'm on a fucking time schedule, though, so I can't fuck around here. When I was in school, my teacher taught us, you don't ever go to the grocery store wearing your pajamas, because you don't want people that come to your salon to see you walking around in your fucking pajamas. And so she like taught us to always be looking the part. You guys can see I've got a little bit of creasing here, but as I've said several times in the past, that's kind of the usual for me. I've been every day, I'm like, I'm gonna wake up today and I'm gonna do my makeup. The thing about it is I don't like to do my makeup unless I'm gonna film it, no matter what. like, I don't just do my makeup for filming, but I don't want to do my makeup and not film it because that just doesn't seem like a good use of my time. Like, being a single mom who works and has all these goals to smash and, like, kids got homework and fucking all this shit. It just doesn't seem like a efficient use of my time to do my makeup without filming it. Even if I'm using an old palette. Like, I don't really care about that shit. Like, I know old shit doesn't get views, but I don't really care about that. Like, I just care about being in action. As long as I'm, like, focusing on the activity, everything else will come. You know what I mean? And so I just, so every day I'm like, I'm gonna film, I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna film. I'm gonna go into the Erd palette and I'm gonna use this Nostalgia to blend this out. I'm gonna try to find a brush that isn't all fucky. And I'm gonna use my Zoeva 227, which is not fucky. And I'm just gonna start going 50% on and 50% off. Speaking of fucky, I have a fucky eyebrow that's poking out and it's like driving me crazy. So every day I'm like, I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna do my makeup. But here's the thing, is I used to do my makeup at 4:30 or 5 in the morning. Many of you who have been here for a really long time know that I used to film first thing in the morning. But I looked like fucking dog shit every day. And also I had to talk really fucking quiet. And I really just don't like my videos. I don't like the energy of them as much when I just wake up in the morning and film. Every time I think I'm gonna wake up and do my makeup, I think I don't wanna film in the morning because my energy just isn't as good and my voice is really quiet because I don't wanna wake the baby. Don't wake the baby. I just feel like I have these blocks of time that I could be filming, but I don't do it because I don't want to be all quiet and boring and fucking lame, you know what I mean? And my older videos, I know a lot of YouTubers go back and they like look at their old videos and like talk about it and they always have this like embarrassed look on their face, like in their thumbnail, like they're like, oh, I go back and look at my old video and they're like but I just don't feel that way about my old videos. Like, I mean, I know I should, I guess, but my old videos they're not bad. They're just my voice is like super quiet because I was filming at like 5 in the morning. I just feel like I want to film and I want to do my makeup in the morning. So it's like this catch-22 where I'm like so indecisive about something that I'm just paralyzed and I just do nothing. Like doing nothing is way better than fucking being quiet on a video, right? I mean, maybe it is, but what if that video is the one video where somebody comes to my channel and they're like, oh, what's this? And then they go, fucking boring. So I just don't ever do it. And I wish that wasn't so shitty. I'm going to use my Voldemorphy JH40 and I'm going to go back into that color Charming and I'm going to try to deepen this up with a brush that isn't like a fucking, it's just curved a little to the left. But for those of you who have reached out, and I'm sorry I'm so inconsistent. I'm sorry that I fucking make you guys worry. It's usually exactly, well, no, that's not true. Sometimes it's exactly the opposite of what you think. Sometimes it's because like everything's so good, I can't film. But you know what? Like that's gonna be not so much the case. Like I'm like, this is like my priority. I love my channel. It's like where I get passion. It's what I feel committed to. And it's honestly, I'm all in. So I'm here for it. I hope this look doesn't suck. Oh, I'm doing that one thing where I get like about 50% of the way through and then I go, ooh. I'm not trusting the process. Well, can I just say, I honestly, I feel like Oden's Eye is a brand that you can trust. So if you're like in a bind and you're in a hurry, this is a brand that you can trust to not totally fuck you over. I'm back in nostalgia now. I don't know why I'm not going all the way to the inner corner. I must be saving it for something and I don't know what yet. One thing I did learn this Monday is that I can kick it down to about half speed on my on my standards, and they're still really good. My looks are still really good. What am I saving it for? Let me think. Okay. I'm saving it for the color Memory. I love that word, memory. I met somebody whose name is Memory, and I just thought, man, that's the coolest fucking name. And ironically, I forgot what her name was one time. Oh, that was one of those times where I actually felt like I was the only one laughing at my joke. I hope it's not true. Guess we'll have to wait to find out. This is a fucking cool color right here, in many respects. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go on along the bottom exactly the way I went along the top because I don't have time to fuck around. Man, this shadow is fucking good. Back into the Erd. Oh, that was that color. I think it was called Nostalgia. Oh no, this is Nostalgia. Fuck, I don't remember what the other one was called. Now I'm going in with my Kaleidos S4, and I'm going to apply NYX Glitter Primer. And then with my Zoeva 232, I'm going to go into the color Hallucination. This is pretty sheer shit. It's beautiful, but it's sheer. And then I'm going to go into the color Charming on the other side of that brush and hope that it's a little bit more pigmented. Shit. There's a big chunky. And then I'm going to go in with that Morphe JH40, and I'm going to use that with no additional product to kind of just... Ooh! And same thing on the other side. I'm going to try to remember to put the lid on my NYX Glitter Primer. Why don't I just go get some more? Oh, because I'm fucking broke, that's why. Actually, I'm not. I'm getting less and less broke all the time. I don't think I'm about to not be broke anymore, ever. I'm not gonna be poor anymore. I'm going back into those two colors. Hopefully I'll get a little quicker payoff here. Nope. Is that getting hard pan? I will kill you. No, seriously, I will fucking kill you. I just went in with my finger. This totally looks like a fucking mermaid. Yeah, both of these colors are like something to scream about, but they're kind of not, they don't go on that easily. And then I'm just going in with my Morphe JH40. Going into that color Outsider. then back into Outsider again to get these out. The outer V, deepen it up. I don't know, what do you guys think? Okay, and then what? Shit. No, that won't work. I don't know. I don't know what to use. I feel like I have no options right now. Oh, bitch, I got options. All right, I'm gonna use my Terra Moons in, no, Lightyear, no, that's, with my Voldemorphe M506. That'll do. You just gotta go be really fucking ginger with this shit right here. You don't fuck with these Terra Moon shadows thinking you're gonna be like, ooh, no. Okay, I'm just gonna, oops, I don't leave these out, because if you do, you never know. I feel like that teal blends like a dream, and then that green is like, I always feel like I have the damnedest time with those poop greens. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I'll be back when I'm done. This is the look. So this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I use my Black Moon Cosmetics Liquid Lip in Hazel, my NYX Slide On Glide On All Day Hard On in Golden Olive. And then I use my Ardell 3D Foam Ink lashes because I don't have anything left and I don't fucking want to wait for 6 months for it to get shipped here. So, oh, I also use the Norns Mesmerizer in Spring of Life. You guys know I was going in for that blue shit right off the fucking bat. It's okay. It's not, I mean, it's okay. Maybe I need to break into it. Anyway, so I really like the palette. Honestly, I feel like the shimmers are kind of hard to work with. It's hard to get the payoff. No shade. I just feel like they're better. They might be better toppers than they were like actual lid shades. They look fucking beautiful. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying they were kind of hard to get out and they're kind of hard to get on. So that's it. That's my truth. So probably unpopular opinion and I'm in too much of a hurry to give a fuck. So I love you guys so much. I missed you. I'm so glad to be back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this look or if you just like my sparkling personality, my boyish charm, and hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. If you watched my video and you got a part way through and you thought, man, that girl sure is pretty, but she don't got a pretty mouth, then go follow me on Instagram. It's at Makeup for Lost Time, LOSSED. Thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here wasting your precious, valuable time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.